Okay, whenever you're ready, what you doing? What you doing, Willis? You got your bottle?
Got the bottle. Don't wrap it up too much.
No, the spring's off.
Oh.
That spring is off. I felt it not springing back. That ain't good. Where's that one spring?
Let's see.
You gotta get spring. Got a spring anywhere?
There you go.
I'm trying to pick where to put it. Okay.
You ready?
Hold on, down. So this should be up. Nope, I'm not ready.
Okay.
I want to get this right ready. Let me see. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta hit the charger. Charger came undone. It's mad. It wants charged. Let's see. Here we go. What are you doing over there, son?
Putting tire on.
Oh, I didn't know what you were doing. I got the lug nuts, look. I'll put the junk lug nuts on there. Right here.
I figured why put new ones on it.
Might as well. Why use the junk ones?
Yeah, because this looks all shitty too. Until we clean them, you know?
Okay, but we're not gonna have enough. And they're gonna be mismatch. You know. There's not gonna be enough and they will be mismatch. Okay, ready to do this? Again?
Yep.
What do you think of this? She's running. Look at that. On its own power.
That fuel pump must be really good.
That fuel pump's real good. Look. We got our gas back there because I'm waiting for the tank. Look at this thing. Oh, baby.
That pump, that fuel filter break.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, that has a little kick to it, that's why I said.
Clickety click.
It almost sounds like a exhaust
I don't know.
pump.
I hope. We'll have to tear the valve covers off and take a look and go from there. Yeah. Did you hear that? Smoothed out on its own. That crazy clip went away.
That was a rocker arm. Needs to lift up.
Yeah,
That's all drifter needs to lift up. That's all.
okay. Look, everybody, we have not even gave it to gas. We're just letting it run. We're letting it idle. This is the first time in 25 years.
Idling on its own.
Idling on its own.
Remember you turned it up?
Okay, let's do that. Screwdriver. It's too long.
Remember, we don't. I don't know if that's cooling down yet. Hold on. No, it's not.
Yeah, I'll start it up just to shut it off.
Down a little bit.
I need a better spring. Dang, that runs good. Now watch this, everybody. We're gonna do it on its own.
Battery. Once the battery.
Either that or the timing's a little off.
Remember, I'm a 440.
Not as aggressive.
Look how smooth that is, though.
Oh, that thing's running smooth as a clock.
There's no shake to it.
Yeah, everything you see smoking is my engine degreaser. Cleaning it up, that's all.
Yep.
Okay, we'll shut it down.
And actually, I'm amazed that it's running like that because with that water underneath there, condensation. in
Oh,
the
yeah.
cap,
Oh, yeah.